5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The network analysis is a method used to analyze, control and monitor business processes and workflow. Contrary to the work breakdown structure, network diagram also consider the chronological order of activities, milestones and tasks and their duration of the program. Critical path used in many methods such as construction, aerospace, defense to software and product development. The basic step of critical path technique is first list down all the tasks needed to complete this project. Note the duration of each of those tasks. If there are any task dependencies, you want to collect them too. What are the milestones in this project?
Advantages in a CPM implementation. First, the CPM makes it easier for the project managers to build a team and create human network for efficient handling of a multitask project. Second, the critical path method binds the entire team together and motivates the human resources in timely completion of the task in a project. Third, the CPM takes into consideration the requirements well in advance to complete a project in the most efficient way possible. Fourth, with the help of the critical path method, the project managers can determine the duration and estimate exact time and cost of the project. It helps to monitor human resources and the direct and indirect costs associated with the project. Fifth, the CPM assists the project managers in planning schedules, monitoring tasks, and helps control the project expenses.
Okay, now I want to tell you about the disadvantage of CPM. Number one is in the big project, a CPM can become extremely complicated and difficult to fathom for the new recruit to the project team. Number two is if the project is far too bulky and lengthy, the critical path method requires software to monitor the plan. Number three is CPM can become ineffective and difficult to manage if it is not well defined and stable. Number four is it cannot effectively handle sudden change in the implementation of the plan on ground. It is very difficult to redraw the entire CPM chart if the plan of the project suddenly changes midway. Number 5 is the critical path method cannot form and control the schedules of the person involved in the project.
Before we sketch a CPM network project, we have to construct a project network. Next, perform forward and backward passes. Third, determine project completion time. Fourth, calculate slack values. And lastly, fifth, state the critical path. A project involving the installation of a computer system consists of 8 activities. The immediate predecessor on activity time in which are shown below. Activity A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So, the question is, draw the CPM network for this. Okay, we go to first question first. Draw the CPM network for this project. Firstly, we construct a project network. So, basically we have 2 items that include in network project, activity and immediate predecessor. Alright, we go first step. Start. Activity A and B, they are not predecessor, so divided by 2 activity A and activity B. Right. Next, activity C depends on activity A, so activity C needs activity A. Okay, next activity D. Need B and C activity. So B and C. B and C. So we got D activity. Next E activity we got H activity. So this is a sketch for a project network. Alright.
Out the table, which is B, put A for activity, and then time is 3 following the table that are given. The time plus with the 0 plus 3 equals to 3, and then the B, because A and B start with 0, so A and B same calculation. B start with 0, so 6 plus 0 equal to 6. Activity C come from with A, so total time from activity A to C, so 3 plus 2 equal to 5, and then activity D come from two activities, which is C and D, so choose the maximum time, which is D. Okay, the total time of activity D is 6, so 6 plus 5 equal to 11. The next E. After we done do the forward passes, then we need to do the backward passes. Okay, so do from the last activity, which is H. Total losses finish of activity H is 21. Okay, so we need to find the letter start. Okay, so how we want to get the letter start is 21 minus with 3, and we get the letter start, which is 18. Okay, so move backward to F and G. Okay, so F we take 18 from total from letter start. So 18 minus 3 equal to 15. And for G, 18 minus 9 we get 9. Okay, then we go to activity E, which is from letter start from activity F, which is 15. So 15 minus 4 we get 11. For activity D, which is 11 minus 5 equal to 6. Okay, then activity C minus 2 equal to 4. Give is for B. The next step is calculate the slack value, which is from all the activities we count, which is the slack values is 0. So what we found out is the slack value is on activity B, activity D, activity E, activity F, and activity H. So this is the slack value. Obviously, the critical path is the which slack value is 0. So the critical path is B to activity B to activity E and to activity F, and finally to activity H. So this is the critical paths for this project.